Hey guys, so we just went over talk. We were just talking about how to set the throttle limit with the scale and the percentage of that scale in BetaFlight using the GUI. Now we are actually going to be talking about how to set it through the command line. So what we're actually going to do is we're going to head over. What we're actually going to do is we're going to actually head over to the BetaFlight like we always do, and then we're going to actually head all the way down to the command line here, and then we're just going to let it do its thing for a second, and then we're actually going to we're going to we're going to put in the command, which I already have set up here, as set the throttle limit, type the scale. So we're going to put that in, and then we're actually going to head then pardon me. Then the next thing we're actually going to do is we're going to set the throttle limit. Excuse me. Pardon me. We're going to set the throttle limit. So we're actually going to change it because I'm going to set this one up to 70. So we're going to do set throttle limit percentage 70. And then we're going to hit enter. We have just set that, and now what will we do after every time we make change something like that is we're going to save. So what we just did is now just saved it, and now we're going to look at the see if that actually worked. So I forget where it's at here. So we actually did. So right here, we actually just set the throttle limit and type it to scale, and we set it to 70%. So there you guys have it. We have just now learned how to do it the super geeky way, the super great way. If you guys have any comments, ideas, or anything else you guys want to have me showcase, leave them in a comment. And if you guys like this, give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't, go ahead and subscribe. That'd be awesome. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day.